Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Gen X Jefferson coming at you from Austin, Texas. It is January 3rd, 2023. And as you can see, my vehicle is packed to the gill with all my belongings, except for that side window. So this morning, I am going to Sky Ranch North Shelter in Terlingua, Texas. The reason why I'm going there is because I'm moving back to the West Coast, the Northwest, actually Portland, Oregon to be exact. I've been in Texas since November of 2011, and it's just time for a change. I sound a little raspy. Hopefully it's allergies and not because I'm sick. Anyhow, comment down below if you've ever been to Terlingua, Texas, and what you thought. And before I go, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode, and share this video with a friend of yours who you think might appreciate it. Okay, I made it. 453 miles. This is where I'm staying tonight. I think I put my tent inside. And it's 3:15. I left at almost 8 o'clock, so I've been on the road for like 7 hours. It's very windy out here. The directions that the lady gave me were pretty intense, and on the way here from Alpine, there was like directions from Alpine to here, and there was no service from there, from Alpine to here, bits and pieces wherever, but it was a little eerie and creepy and scary and fun all at the same time. I want to fly the drone before the sun goes down. A little tired. I definitely am looking forward to cooking a delicious meal, dried food in hot water. That's how I roll. Anyhow, talk to you soon, and safe travels to me.